Hello, this is Damson, and today I'm going to do another super speed up tutorial painting a feather. Your traceable will be available on my Facebook page, absolutely free, just following underneath the video. And please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell to get notifications for our future videos. So even though I'm using wet on wet, which means my canvas is wet and obviously my brush with the paint is wet, I'm still following lines of the feather. So instead of just dropping the colors in, I'm actually running my brush in 45 degrees pointing towards the top part, and I am going to do a few different variations of the color. So some of the color will be a little bit more transparent and others will be a little bit darker, and that's gonna create a really cool effect. And I'm adding that jaggedy line on the edge with a little bit less transparent color and pretty much framing the feather. Okay, so I'm adding a little bit more darker color on a few sides, but pretty much that's it. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.